All right, Algebra 1 students, let's look at Unit 3, Lesson 5, Fitting Lines. So there are two goals here. I can describe the rate of change and y-intercept for a linear model in everyday language. So we want to be able to look at the rate of change and y-intercept in a model and put it into terms that the model is talking about, whether that be the rate of change is 1 foot raised for every 2 inches moved to the right, or some other situation. I can use technology to find the line of best fit. The line of best fit, we can estimate it with our eyes, but to get most accurate data, we're going to typically use technology. For our class, we will usually use Desmos.com, the calculator. All right, so our vocabulary that we need to remember. We still have rate of change. We're still going to be using that rise over run of slope, where we come away with what the vertical movement is for every one positive right movement of data. Our y-intercept, where our linear model will cross the y-axis. So when the x value is 0, what's the y value at? Our new one here is line of best fit. Line that most accurately models the data. We're going to have a scatter plot, data all over. We want an estimate of about how does that data look. Because it's not a perfect line, we want a line that estimates it. That's known as our line of best fit. All right, so in this one, you're going to make we're just going to test your rudimentary understanding or your basic knowledge of what a line of best fit could be. In each scatter plot, choose the line that is the best fit. So in each of these 4, there's a purple line and an orange line. I want you to decide, is the purple line the best fit, or is the orange line the best fit? And then explain your choice. So here we have our data in black, and then we have an orange line going down from left to right, and a purple line going up from left to right. Which one is the line of best fit? Explain. Here in 2, we have the 2 lines both going basically the same direction. Look, the purple line is kind of above all those dots, and the orange line goes kind of through the middle of the dots, but they're going the same direction. So which one do you think is best, and why there? In number 3 over here, we have 2 lines. One, the orange is going much steeper, and the purple a little bit less steep. So decide which one you think is the best one for that data there. And then maybe the toughest one is here, number 4. We have this data, and then we have the orange and the purple line. Try and pick out, because they're going about the same direction, almost the same slope, but just a little bit different. So pick which one you think best represents that data. Make sure you explain each of your choices, and then that's going to start our discussion tomorrow. Thanks.